Step 9 na ta sa atong road to VA Live. Karon, we will set up your profile sa onlinejobs.ph. Okay, nganong diri man sa onlinejobs.ph or OLJ? Because at the moment, OLJ is the biggest job board available to Filipino virtual assistants or freelancers. This is the one that's available now. In the future, maybe naay mo tunga nga pariha og OLJ. You can use the same steps gihapon. But for now, since gusto lang ta makasugod, ari lang ta magsugod sa onlinejobs.ph where you will need to create an account and fill out your profile. Sa ako pong observation, ang diri sa onlinejobs.ph kay daghan kaayo og job posts on a daily basis. So practically makaingon ka nga dili gyud ka mahutdan og options. So mag-set up na ta og account. You will need to go to onlinejobs.ph and then you will click the sign up button. You will fill out the form to create your profile. Now, ay glimot ha, gamita tong professional picture ni mo ha, and then your professional email address, and finally, upload the resume nga PDF file nga bag-o ra nimo gihimo sa Canva. Once masubmit na nimo tanan, boom, your profile will be live. You are now officially in the job market. Congratulations, but be warned. This is the reality of onlinejobs.ph or pretty much any job board out there, whether it's for Filipinos or not. Tungod kay open ang kanang mga ingon-ani nga job boards globally. Naadiri ga saksak sinagol all types of people. Naay good clients, naay bad clients, unya na apoy scammer nga mga clients. So please, use your head. Listen to your intuition. Trust your gut. If a job post sounds too good to be true, ayaw pataka og click, ayaw pataka og apply. If nahuman na nimo og set up imong onlinejobs.ph nga account, comment dayon og done and ready to get hired. Mana ka sa step 9. So you are ready for step 10 where I will teach you how to send applications with a strategy. Check the link for the step 10 video. It's either in the comments or the descriptions.